What's up, guys? Welcome back to Gabe's Cubicle. Today I have a Baby Einstein walker that I picked up from my son. It's called the See and Explore Walker from Baby Einstein. Let's unbox this and see what we got. Hey, are you ready, Lucas? Yeah? Let's unbox this. Get him ready. Yeah. Seems already set. Oh yeah. Here's the box. Front of the box. Okay. That cool. Comes in the bag. Good boy. Here, so this is one of the guess this goes to the floor. Something here. There we go. It's like a description about the walker. It's there. What's this? Little bags of hooks. Little bag of hooks. You hook them to the toy. You can actually use this as with the gym too. If you got the gym, it goes on the floor. He's facing up and playing his toys. You can put these up too. You could even hook them up in the car seat. Anywhere he play. Put his hands in play. All right, here's the seat. Here's the seat. Yeah, buddy. Jumping, walking. Got this almost going. There's a little piece that goes in the front. I'll show you in a minute. Carries 3 AA batteries, and I found some. I'm sure they work. Self-explanatory in the back. All right. All right, buddy. Yeah. Make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, it's almost done. See right here, I have it ready. It's gonna be Flight of the Navigator. Oh, and these, they go right on the side, the corners. Jesus, harder than I thought. Come on, Dad. We got those on. See? And finally, last. Okay, buddy. Guess this is facing. Right. Very. Very easy. There we go. And we are done with the walker. Lucas. There we go. Boom. Very nice. Very small. It's not so big. Walker. Look at that. I'm gonna love this. Huh? Oh, just out of the way. Ooh, I am sweating. Alright guys, just make sure everything is nice and tight. Ready to go. Alright, the sink. It's nice. Yeah. Alright, I'm done. You ready, Lucas? Wanna give it a try? Yeah? Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. This is my son, Lucas. Lucas. Back to the camera. You're crazy, Daddy. Alright, buddy. Let's see. He loves it. You like it, buddy? Huh? Look at that. It's your vehicle. It's a car. Like the Flintstones. Look at that. That's the end of this video for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. And until next time, remember, don't be scared, because you just never know.